to our YouTube channel Eng.Med Modern School. Today, Standard 6 subject SS, chapter number 1, what, how and when. Previous video we discussed about the sources of history in archaeological sources and monuments. Today our topic is objects. Objects include tools, weapons, pottery, ornaments, shells, paintings and coins that are found during excavation. Means objects include tools, weapons, pottery, ornaments, shells, paintings, and coins that are found during excavation. Ornaments include tools, weapons, pottery, ornaments, seals, paintings and coins that are found during excavation. They help historians to reconstruct the past for which we have no written records. They help historians to reconstruct the past for which we have no written records. Objects help historians to reconstruct the past for which we have no written records because objects include tools, weapons, pottery, ornaments, shells, paintings and coins that are found during excavation. They help historians to reconstruct the past for which we have no written records. Humans, skulls and fossils of animals, humans or plants also provide insight into the past. These objects reveal the lifestyle of people and tell the social development. Human skulls and fossils of animals, humans or plants Plants also provide provide insights into the past means this object reveal the lifestyle of people and tell the social development. Here, this is the object. First of all, write down on your book. Okay, further moving. New topic, inscriptions and edicts. Inscriptions and edicts. Inscriptions and edicts. Inscriptions refer to writings and texts carved on soil objects like pillars, walls of temples, forts, caves, places, stone, or copper tablets. Inscriptions refer to writing and text kept on soiled objects like pillars, walls of temples, forts, caves, places, stone or copper tablets. Like you can see that this is the stone and writing some of the on the stone. This is inscriptions refer to writings and text carved on soil object like pillars, walls of temples, forts, caves, places, stone or copper tablets. You can see the picture on your book. Here, this is the stone and something write down on stone. You can easily see in the temples some of the pillars writing on that like this. They provide us with valuable information about many things. with valuable information about many things, about many things for the rulers, the dates, the extent, of their empires, empires, important events, and many other important aspects of particular period. Here, inscriptions, they provide us with valuable information about many things. For that, the rulers, the dates, the extent of their empires, important events, and many other important aspects of particular period. Here, for the example of Brahmkut. Brahmkut is the historical place, and the events, dates, and particular empires, important events, and many other important aspects of particular period. Like this. Now, further moving. Inscriptions are useful and reliable as these were written during the reign of the kings. Here, inscriptions are useful and reliable as these were written during the reign of the kings, and most of them are still intact today. Here, I give you example of Brahmkut. So, information that the rulers, the dates, the aspects of their empires, important events, and many other important aspects of particular period. Inscriptions are useful and viable as these were written during the regime of the kings, and most of them are still intact today. The study of inscription is known as epigraphy. The study of inscriptions is known as epigraphy. Here, the synthesis is important. That's why underline this in your textbook. The study of inscriptions is known as epigraphy. Edicts are royal commands issued by rulers. Edicts are royal commands issued by rulers. Also important, this sentence is, that's why underline this on your book. In your book, edicts are royal commands issued by rulers. The Ashokan edicts inscribed on rocks and pillars have helped historians to reconstruct the history of the Mauryan period. Edicts are royal commands issued by rulers, means the commanded by the kings. The Ashokan edicts inscribed on rocks and pillars have helped historians to reconstruct the history of the Mauryan period. That's why we know about the time period was the Mauryan period. Okay, student, first of all, write down on your book, then we further moving. Okay, student, you did it. Now, further moving for the new topic. New topic, coins. Here the study of coins. The study of coins is called numismatics. Coins. The study of coins is called numismatics. Also important this line. That's why underline on your book. The study of coins is called numismatics. Numerous gold, silver, copper, and lead coins have been found. have been found. Different king rulers in our India, that's why different kings have a different coins. That's why numerous gold, silver, copper and lead coins have been found. Many coins contain legends and inscriptions revealing details about the names of rulers and the period of their regime. Here, many coins contain legends and inscriptions revealing details about the name of rulers and the period of their regime. As the example, Mauryan period. How know that the time period was the Mauryan period? Because the Ashokan etiquettes inscribed on rocks and pillars have helped historians to reconstruct the history of the Mauryan period, and Ashokan time period was also this in numerous gold and silver and copper and lead coins have been found. Many coins contain legends and inscriptions revealing details about the name of rulers and the period of their regime. Our knowledge of the Kushan, Gupta, Bactrian, Indo-Greek and Hindu Parthian dynasties reigns chiefly on conclusions drawn from the study of coins. Our knowledge of the Kushan, Gupta, Bactrian, Indo-Greek and Indo-Parthian dynasties rests chiefly on conclusions drawn from the study of coins. Historians find the coins and then, based on the historians, our knowledge of the Kushan, Gupta, Bactrian, Indo-Greek and Indo-Parthian dynasties rests chiefly on conclusion drawn from the study of coins. Okay, first of all, write down on your book, then further moving. Okay, student, now further moving to your next topic. Next topic is burial sites. Burial sites means many years ago, the many places divide. इसे हम हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करें तो इसे हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि कोई एक शहर हो जो काफ़ी वर्ष मतलब कि काफ़ी सालों बाद पहले जो दफन हो गया हो उसे हम क्या कह सकते हैं, तो burial sites. Okay, now here burial sites here a lot of material remains and are a rich source of information for historians. Here, burial sites get a lot of material remains and are a rich source of information for historians. So many clues for the historians. They are especially useful. Useful for the study. Useful for the study of the prehistoric and the early historic periods. When there were there were not many written records. Written records. Here, they are specially useful for the study of the prehistoric and the early historic periods when there were not many written records. Rural sites useful, specially useful for the study of the prehistoric and the early historic when the women cannot able to write or read. So there were not many written records. In 2010, team of scientists from sleep Param Kalyani College in Tamil Nadu found new burial site sites in the western parts of the Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu. All belonging to the prehistoric area. Here in 2010, a team of scientists from Sri Param Kalyani College in Tamil Nadu found new burial sites in the western parts of the Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu, all belonging to the prehistoric area. These sites, which have yielded many clay give us information about the majority practice of the people of the settlements. They also tell us about the technological process used by the potters to produce the fine clay that has remained intact after these hundred of years. In 2010, a team of scientists from Sri Param Kalyani College in Tamil Nadu found new burial sites in the western parts of the Trinuveli district in Tamil Nadu, all belonging to the prehistoric era. These sites, which have yielded many urines, give us information about the majority practice of the people of the settlement. They also tell us about the technological process used by the potters to produce the fine clay that has remained intact after all these hundreds of years. Okay, student, here your homework. Write a short note about objects, inscription and edits. Inscriptions and edits. Coins and burial sites. Okay, student. Today our video is complete. Now further moving in our next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.